Hello lovelies, how are you all doing? This is Shenore Naturals. Today we're going to be doing a glow oil. This glow oil is not what you've been seeing on YouTube. This one is very good. I've got my carrots here which I'm washing. I've got lemon and I've got orange as well. So carrot has got a beta carotene. It has vitamin C and vitamin E in it. And we all know what beta carotene does for the skin. It brightens up the dull skin. We've got lemon here. Lemon and orange actually have almost the same properties because it's citrus. Citrus is full with vitamin C. It has vitamin E in it. Okay, so today's glow oil, I'm using oranges, lemon which has been washed, and carrots. So carrot is full of beta carotene, and it has vitamin A, C, and E in it, which is good for the skin. It's strong in anti-aging properties. It's rich. The rich beta carotene helps to fade wrinkles. It brightens up the skin. Okay. So we're going to be grating. So this is our carrot. We're going to grate the carrots. I have the carrot that is full of beta carotene. It's good for the skin. It protects the skin from UV rays, and is strong in anti-aging properties due to the content of beta carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin A in it. So it's good. And we have our orange and lemon also that we're going to do the infusion together. Orange and lemon is full of vitamin C. We know that vitamin C is good. It's full of antioxidants that fight free radicals, which may slow down wrinkles and premature aging. It's got citric acid in it, which is good for exfoliating. So as this oil is brightening up your skin, it's at the same time it will exfoliate the skin and clear the skin out of all dead skin cells, and it will clear the pores. So this oil is very good. It brightens you up. So we're going to you can infuse it with any carrier oil that you have, olive oil, coconut oil, whichever carrier oil that you have. Okay. So in all, what this oil does is going to nourish your skin, smooth and brightens it. So as it's brightening your skin, it will exfoliate, it will reduce large pores, it will reduce acne scars and delay wrinkles. So these are some of the things that this oil is going to do for your face and your body. And it can help some of the stretch marks, yes. So I'm going to continue grating my ingredients here, and when I finish I'll come back. Hello lovelies, how are you all doing? This is Shenore Naturals. We continue our glow oil. So I've got my stainless steel pot here that I'm going to drain the oil inside. So first of all, you need to clean, sanitize everything that you use. So I'm sanitizing my strainer, and then I'll sanitize my hands as well. We don't want any microbial properties in our oil, because oil are dangerous. We can't put preservative or anything, so you need to make sure that everything is super clean. Okay, remember I said in the crock pot it would take an hour. It did not take an hour for me. It took 4 hours on low heat, though, very low heat. So it took 4 hours to get the oil done. So if you are using the crock pot, I don't know how strong yours is. You should look out and see when you are getting all the goodies from your carrot and your orange and lemons. Okay. Okay, so after 4 hours, this is what we've got. Lovely color. So this is how it looks like. The carrot and the orange and lemon zest. So we're going to strain our oil now. It's quite heavy. I don't want any particles in it, that's why I'm straining it. And the carrot and the lemon zest, I'm not going to throw it away. I will use it in my next soap. So I'm going to pack it and put it in the freezer and use for soap. But I will show you what I will use it for, the soap that I'm going to use it for. Okay. Still draining. Okay, lovelies, this is our glow oil, our carrot, lemon and orange zest glow oil. You can use it by itself when you finish shower and your body is damp. You rub it on your skin. You can put it in your cream as well. So thank you. If there is any suggestions on videos you would like me to do, please feel free to put it in the comment box and I will see what I can do. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. Thank you and see you another time.